Welcome to Sunday service. That's much better. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. Uh, this is a time that we set aside for our tithes and offering. And in a moment, I'm going to ask you to help me recite the offertory prayer. But in the meantime, I'd like to tell you a few things about what my grandmother used to say back in the day. She used to say this. She said, "Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a joy